Hey there, tech fans. Today I've got the brand new JT400 jump starter kit from our good friends over at LokiThor. This single product is really four products in one. It's an incredibly powerful jump starter that you can use to easily start any gas-powered vehicle up to 8.5 liters or any diesel-powered vehicle up to 6.5 liters, and that's the vast majority of vehicles on the road, including some smaller SUVs. But it's also a battery bank that you can use to charge external devices like a phone or a tablet whenever you're on the road. It also includes a 6-function LED flashlight, which provides plenty of illumination if you've broken down on the side of the road and you're changing a tire, or maybe you're under the hood trying to connect up the jumper cables. You've got plenty of light right at your fingertips. But the best part about this product is that it's also a battery tester, which is a unique feature that you won't find in other jump starters. And this unit, through the Bluetooth application, can tell you the current status of your battery, the health, the cranking amperage, and all the important factors that let you know that that battery's on the way out or it's healthy. Now, before I get too deep into all of those nerdy details, I thought I'd start with a quick unboxing first, just to show you everything that's included with the kit, and that way you'll understand what you get if you decide this product's right for you. Because let me tell you, LokiThor has given you everything you need to use this product right out of the box. And then I'll dive into those details. So let's get started with the unboxing. When you first pop open the box, you'll find the JT400. It's small enough to fit in your hand, but plenty powerful to start your car. You'll also find a carrying bag, which is a great touch because I like having something that I can organize all my materials in. This not only protects the product, but it keeps everything organized, because the last thing you want to have happen is you're out on the road, you need to jump start your car, you've got this unit with you, but you forgot the jumper cables. You can't use this without these jumper cables. So having a bag like this that I can put everything in, close it up, throw it in the back of my car means I've got what I need out there on the road whenever I need it. You'll also find a set of heavy-duty jumper clips, and this plugs into the side of the unit, and it's keyed so you can't plug it in backwards. And then you'll connect these up to your battery. Now remember, red goes to positive, black goes to negative, and if it's an early morning and you're a little goofy because you're sleepy and you get them backwards, not a problem, because the unit will detect that. It's got safety features built in where it shuts off, so you're not going to damage the unit, not going to damage your batteries, but it will give you a warning that you've got these backwards, so get in there and change them. And then you'll also find a charging cable for the unit. This is a USB-A to USB-C cable. You can plug the USB-C end of it into the unit and the USB-A end of it into any standard USB wall charger. Always try to use a high power charger so you can charge it quickly. The nice thing about the cable too is that you have a USB-C and a USB-A port on the side of it that you can use to charge external devices. So you can actually use this cable by plugging it into the USB-A port and then plugging the USB-C end of it into your device. So kind of a dual function cable. And then you'll find two manuals in there. There's a thank you guide and an owner's manual that explains everything you could possibly want to know about the unit, how to use it, how to charge it, how to take care of it. So always read through the manual to make sure you get the best value out of the product. All right, so let's start with the jumping functions. LokiThor's been building jump starters for a long time, and they've got a lot of sophisticated features built into this one. Starting with the fact that they've got multiple protections built in for overcurrent, over voltage, over temperature, under temperature. So all the things that would damage the unit, or more importantly, damage the battery in your car, are protected by the electronics inside the unit. I'd mentioned the reverse polarity detection. That's one small feature. They've also built in a really cool tech. When you connect this up to your battery, most batteries under the hood, to be honest with you, get dirty over time. The terminals get dirty, they get greasy. So when you just clamp these on there, you may not have a great connection. This unit determines, is that connection sufficient enough to push the electrons to the battery to start your car? If it's not, it's going to give you a warning and say, maybe wiggle them a little bit or maybe clean them up a little bit so you get a better connection to the battery, because you want to deliver the maximum amount of current to the battery to get your car started. So it's got that detection circuit built in. There aren't a lot of companies on the market that build something like that. That's a LokiThor first. Another cool feature is the fact that the unit has both a basic starting mode and a boost starting mode that can provide even more current on those rare occasions when you've got a really low battery. And to use that boost function, you can just tap that M button that I just showed you. Now the unit itself has 2,500 amps of starting power, which again is more than enough power to start any gas-powered vehicle up to 8.5 liters and all diesel vehicles up to 6.5 liters, which again covers most of the vehicles on the market today. So as a jump starter, you've got a really nice product here. Charge it up, put it in the bag, put it in the back of your car, and if you run into trouble starting it, you can connect it up and get yourself started. Now as far as the battery bank goes, you're going to charge the unit through the USB-C port on the side, but once it's charged, you have both a USB-C and a USB-A port on the side that you can use to charge external devices. And that can be your phone, your tablet, your game console, your camera, whatever charges off a USB charger. And I like that function because even though I don't have to jumpstart the car an awful lot, there are times where I've got people in the back seat that need to charge their phone. I can hand them the JT400, connect it up, and they can charge their phone. So I think it was really nice that LokiThor thought of the fact that they could use that internal power to charge external devices. I really like the light function. So to turn that on, I'll power up the unit, and there's a button down the bottom that actually turns on the light. And again, there are 6 modes for the light. So when it first comes on, it's going to be bright, little dimmer still. Now I'm in flash mode, and that's great if you're pulled off to the side of the road and you've got to let people know you're over there. It's also got an SOS mode that I guess would be great if there's a Boy Scout driving by and they can recognize the fact that it's SOS. And then the final one I like an awful lot is an alternating flash, which kind of gives it a real emergency feel. Then to turn it off, you just tap the button again. So you've got, again, a jump starter, battery bank, and a flashlight. The final function, which is unique to LokiThor and I think absolutely brilliant, is the battery testing function, which will let you know the general health of your battery under 3 conditions. So at first test your battery with the car off, and that'll give you the voltage and the general health of your battery. You can also use it to test your battery when it's starting the car, which is a current test, because when you start your car, you're drawing a lot of power out of that battery, and it's important to understand how the battery handles that surge of current. And then the third test is a charging test, where when you're running your car and your alternator is providing voltage back to the battery to charge it, how's the battery reacting to that voltage heading its way? Is it retaining it? Is it resisting it? So it checks all 3 of those really important conditions, which I think is essential because if you're jump starting your car an awful lot, pretty good chance your battery has got some issues. So understanding how those issues affect your battery health is really important. And that battery testing function works in conjunction with a Bluetooth application that LokiThor has developed to give you all the statistics on your battery health through that application. So again, I think what you're getting here in the JT400 is not only a really nice jump starter, which again can jump start the vast majority of cars on the market today, but it's also a battery bank you can use to charge external devices, 6-function flashlight, and the battery tester function, which honestly on its own would be enough to justify the price of the product. So I think it's a great little jump starter kit. Everything you need to get started is included with it. It's really easy to use. Read the manual, but you're basically going to power it up, connect it to your battery, and start your car. I just think they've done a great job. And again, the company, LokiThor, has been around for a long time. They make a wide variety of jump starter kits and air pump kits and a lot of things that will really help you out on the road. So this is one of their latest products, and I've reviewed a lot of them. I like this one an awful lot, especially at this price. So thanks an awful lot for watching, and until next time, as always, stay nerdy.